It was a solemn gathering when Catholic faithful in the Archdiocese of Jos congregated at Maza Marian Pilgrimage Center to flag off the commencement of the diocesan Jubilee Year of Hope as declared by the Holy Father, Pope Francis. CTV's Jos correspondent Walby Ogak reports that the event, which was led by the Archbishop of Jos, Most Reverend Matthew Shaya Audu, brought together priests, religious and the lay faithful together to pray to the Lord.
In a homily, the Archbishop of Jos, Most Reverend Matthew Ishaya Audu, said the goal of declaring the year 2025 as a Jubilee Year of Hope underscores the recognition of faith and hope as a very powerful weapon by the leadership of the Church.
May I first of all welcome you to this diocesan pilgrimage of hope that does not disappoint, but endures and appease our souls and mind. As all of you are probably aware by now, the Holy Father, Pope Francis, declared the year 2025 as a Jubilee Year of Hope on the May 29, 2024. In his message, the Holy Father acknowledged the difficulties and challenges facing the whole world, but urged all people of God not to lose hope. Instead, he encouraged us to fan the flame of hope, trust, and love, which are the heart of the gospel. It is in union with the universal church that we are all gathered here to kickstart the most assuring journey of hope. I am therefore delighted to welcome you all this day, where we have come to renew and reawaken our hope in God.
Some of the priests and faithful spoke to CTV News on the significance of the pilgrimage and the Jubilee Year of Hope.
Without hope, we can never make it. When you lose hope, you've lost everything in life. But if we're hopeful people, we will definitely get to our destination through the help of our God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So this year and this theme for the Year of Hope is quite timely. And we are most grateful to the Holy Father who came up with this theme for the year and then who constituted this year as a year of hope.
Here we have received and enjoyed so many sacraments. The sacraments we have enjoyed, like the confession, the mass, the communion received, and then the holy waters prayed upon people. I think this is just God's own doing. It is God's work, and God has really blessed his people.
Year of hope, I'm overwhelmed. It shows that we still have hope. Every Catholic today is happy that there's still hope, despite the challenges of today.
This is a pilgrimage center for all Marian activities. In fact, it's called a Marian Shrine for the Archdiocese. And simply means that we're going to develop this place and make it a shrine of Our Lady for the Archdiocese. And it is in respect of that we also came here today to celebrate this Jubilee Year of Hope. And you can see how everybody was here and everybody was happy. And we intend also to have other activities in relation to this Jubilee Year of Hope here, especially.
The pilgrimage offers a unique blend of spiritual growth and social bonding, allowing participants to reconnect with old friends and forge new relationships, creating a sense of community and belonging. Walby Ogak reports from Jos.